Pennsylvania, southern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Westmont and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Johnstown, Hollidaysburg, Westmont, Wynper, Gilham, Belmont, Portage, Roaring Spring, Geistown, Southmont, Martinsburg, Lakemont, Crasson, Ferndale, Claysburg, Vinco, Dale, Duncansville, East Connemara, and Salix Beauty Line Park. This includes Interstate 99 between mile markers 12 and 29. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and destructive hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, and Somerset. The National